Hello everybody, I'm back again. So I have been MIA once again, but it's because I moved. So barely yesterday and today I've been crafting, but I wanted to get this project done. This is a design team project for TaylorMadeJournals, and that's Lorna's Etsy shop. She has a lot of awesome digi kits, and she gave me one to play with, and these are, I was going to bring the pages, I didn't bring it. I don't have a setup yet, so I'm in my bedroom. But she has these awesome Victorian images, and they're die cuts. You gotta fussy cut them, but they're beautiful, as you could see. So I went ahead and created, I don't even know what to call these, but they're just going to be little sets of two. But I just want you to see the images. They're beautiful on the kits. Here's another one. Now I don't have my phone stand, so it's going to be kind of difficult. So please forgive me if I move too much. I'm going to try to do my best to not do that. So I'm just going to move these away, and I'm going to start with this one. So I went ahead and used some jute as a closure. And this is the back. Now these, I've done these before. I've just made them smaller. These are the ones that I wrap around pages on journals. This one is larger. It's 8, I'm trying to say 8 by 4, I think. So I, kind of turned them into sort of like a little booklet sort of deal. Now let's see how I go. Oh, well, the second part that comes with it, or the second item, is an envelope. Now I've done these envelopes before, but this one's a little different. What I did is I went ahead and added 2 pockets in the back, so you have some ephemera there. So these were kind of fun to do. I just wanted to make it look a little different. So let's start with the booklet. Now bear with me, I'm using one hand only. So sorry guys, but hopefully my next videos I should already have found my stand. I haven't quite done everything yet. I mean, well, I'm trying to focus more on the house. You guys know how that is. But here we go on the front. Move this out of the way. So on the front here, I went ahead and got these little claim checks, I think they're called. I'm trying to figure out exactly what, but I bought some. I wanted to add some to my shop, which soon I should have them listed. So they're perforated in the center. You can take them apart. And then it comes with the little string here. I went ahead and left it there. So they're really cute and fun to play with. So I will be adding those to my shop soon. And then in here I left it open, so it's just a little tuck. You got a little bingo card there, and that just tucks back there. And then one of these, and I think I got it backwards this way. I'm trying to think who I got these from. This is another DigiKit, but yeah, I thought they were perfect because they're just the perfect size to add them to that little pocket there. And then here, the side is open. I went ahead and added some paper on the back for layering. Some of them have it, some of them don't. I have others that are on the works. They're not completed, but of course, impatient me. So I came and brought my first 3. And I'm hoping to finish the other ones soon and add them to my shop. These are the library cards. These are vintage. These were gifted to me from Debbie Ham on YouTube. And yeah, she was nice enough to send me a bunch of these. So I went ahead and added one. This is from 1948, I think. So that just tucks in there. And then I went ahead and got one of these images. Now these are postcards. But I'm not going to say because I don't remember exactly where. And then this one. And this is also a kit I just purchased. I just don't know who, but today's about Miss Lorna and Taylor Designs. So Taylor Journal Designs. So that's that. Now on the back, like I said, I just went ahead and collaged. It's got I did collaging, and then I added some lace, some fabric. So I love the way this turned out. And there's another one of her images from her kit. And then you just open it, and you got a little booklet. And of course I added a piece of lace here just to make it look like a little curtain, you know, so if you journal, you know, it'll look nice under this. So yeah, I just went ahead and added various pieces of papers, coffee dyed paper, ledger papers. This is some lace also from TaylorMadeJournals. So I just went ahead and added different pieces, and you could also journal on the back. So that's, I like how that turned out. And then here again, get close, I have just did a little bit of collaging. These are just bits and pieces that I've had left over from other projects, so I just pulled them out. This is another image from the TaylorMadeJournals. And yeah, they're a vintage. It's a lot of them, guys, so it's worth the digikit. It's a lot of them, so you have a lot to play with, various sizes. And yeah, very fun to play. On the front pocket, I have this. I had made this already, and it was for another project, so I popped her in here. She's so cute. And then here I just have another piece of ephemera. So I think what I'm going to do is probably not pull out all the ephemera on the other ones, only because it's hard for me with one hand. Yeah, this is a thread from the bottom. And then on the back here, another piece of ephemera. And then this one here. So these are tucked in the back. Now this one, the pocket is different. I went ahead and did one pocket here, and then you have one way in the back. The other ones only have 2 pockets. I went ahead and made it smaller. So this is the piece of ephemera that's in here. I don't know if I'm not going to be able to push it in. Oh, never mind. I take that back. But yeah, I think they're so cute. So you can carry these, journal, you know, make lists, whatever you want to use this for. But I think they came out really cute. So that's this one. And then the envelope that comes with it is this one here. And again, I went ahead and used jute as a closure. And yeah, it's hard with one hand. I need to find that stand thingy for my phone, because yeah, this is hard. But I love the way they turned out, these envelopes. I don't think I measured the envelopes, but I have a postcard in there. And I just love the way they turned out. These are the labels. I think these are from Tracy Fox. These are also other labels. I can't remember where that one came from. But there's the other image again from Lorna. And then the back, again, just pieces of ephemera that I added. And they're various, from various digikits. And I'm going to take them out on this one so you guys could see. I just went ahead and layered on the front pockets. And then added one of these little words. This is also a kit I purchased. And I can't think of who. But yes, I love the way they turned out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this aside like this. And I will put this together later. But this is the first kit. So I'm going to pop that over there. And this is my next kit that I'm going to show. There again. I wish I could put the phone down. My goodness. But this one, I went ahead and I made a tag. Just did a bunch of layering. And it's just plain in the back for journaling. So that one pops in there. So yeah, they're kind of a little different in their own way. And again, I got some pieces of ephemera here. Little journaling card, or I'm sorry, this is a postcard. So that just pops there, and then this itty bitty one that I'm holding backwards, but so cute. They're so tiny and so cute. So yeah, if anybody's interested in me looking up who I got that digi kit, I will let you know. But that's her there. She's so pretty. And then the back. And then on the inside, this one, I just went ahead and added this trim on the top. But again, you have the little notepad here. You can journal away. Here, I went ahead and made a tag. Also using one of the images from the kit. And it's just blank on the back. I just added a little bit of the collaging, just folded it back. And then this one, you can see the cute little girl, so cute, and they got a puppy. So I just layered some pieces of lace and then a little button and the bow. And in here, it's one of these pieces of ephemera, and I just backed it on a book page, and then I covered the back so you can journal. So that's that one there. Pop it over there, and then this is the envelope that goes with it. I'm serious, it is so hard to do with one hand. But there's a butterfly, and I added some lace on the cover, and then as you open it, you have a postcard in there. Look at that image, so pretty. And then a label there, and just did a bunch of collaging. So cute. And then on the back, they all have different kinds of ephemera on the back. But on this one on the front, I added the word kind, and then I added some buttons on there. And then there's some also some lace on the bottom. But yeah, I'm not gonna take out the ephemera. It's difficult. And then the next set is this one. Oh, that's from over there. I should have not tied them up, but I wanted you guys to see how they look with the jute. But it would have been easier for me. Hold on. There. Slipping off my hand. But that's this one here. I went ahead and added a doily, and then I added a button and just threaded in some jute. And then in here again, just added a couple of pieces of ephemera that I'm going to try not to pull out because I'm going to struggle. Here again, this one has pieces of ephemera on there. Oh my goodness, I think this is going to be one of my worst videos. And on the inside, again, I put this little curtain here. I like to call it a curtain, but I think they're so cute. You know, you open it, it kind of covers your writing, you know. But it's just various kinds of paper in here. So you can journal away in there. And then here is the front. Again, another image from the kit. And then, like I said, various pieces of ephemera throughout the inside. And then on here as well. But yes, this is the third one. And then on the back, just went ahead and layered some paper. I'm trying to say this is from the kit Nectar's Creation. I think that's where that one came from. And then this one here. Take this off. Come on, work with me. Okay. I'm trying so hard not to move the other hand so I don't get you guys dizzy. But I think these labels here came from Tracy Fox. Again, just did a bunch of layering of papers and added some lace there. On the inside, this one has a image. She's so pretty. And then that's the front. I love those. And look how pretty the colors. Everything is just beautiful. That's an awesome kit. See if I can push it back in there. And then this is the back. Again, it's filled with a bunch of pieces of ephemera. And this one has inspiration. But I love the way they turned out. So yes, guys, I will be making more of these. I have some more. I went crazy and made me a couple of them. Okay, not a couple of them, maybe more than a couple. But yeah, I just wanted, you know, sometimes you get tired of doing journals and you just want to do a simple project. So I just went ahead and started doing this, and I just love the way they turned out. I hope you guys like it. They will be listed on my Etsy if you're interested. And yeah, guys, that's it. Hopefully next video it'll be easier, because right now, like I said, I don't even know where my phone little stand thing is at. Somewhere in here, you know. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon on my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye-bye.